In terms of like AI in of itself, I'd love to hear your opinion on like, do you think that technologies like these would be able to transform like not only just like, the sign language niche, but like others overall? Like, what are your thoughts on like AI going forward? Especially because, we got 24 hours and you're able to build a pretty much complete solution. You know what I'm saying? So like, how do you think AI can like transform the landscape?
So AI can be used to do many things and more things than we can imagine. Something that a lot of things that haven't been discovered yet. In the sign language landscape, it's about making this experience immersive. It's about the user at the forefront. It's about keeping them at the front of the process. And the way that I see AI going, if you learn AI, even the basics of AI. You may not necessarily learn how to code, but if you know to use a tool like N8N or Lovaboo, you can do so much things with it and transform your business. So I think that it's a really good field to go into.
Over that, run that back one more time. You're kind of breaking up there.
Okay. The full response?
Yeah, yeah. Just the part about AI because you kind of broke up at the end there.
Yeah. By the way, do you mind if I ask a question?
Oh, yeah, bro,
In
yeah.
not for the
This is
not
how
for the
this is a
podcast.
pod. Oh, not for the pod. Oh, for sure. What's up?
Just asking how my answering so far. They
No, you're
on
doing
are they
great.
on track?
No, you're fine,
Because I
bro.
thought that some of the answers were like far from what you asked.
Nah, you're fine. You're fine.
Good? Okay,
You're
cool.
doing good. Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Is there? Yeah. So just run that back one more time.
Okay, no problem. All right. So the way that I see AI going, it's a powerful tool. And I was saying that AI can do so much more than we can imagine. A lot of the things in AI have not been touched yet. They've not been discovered. And these are things that people find like in a eureka moment. They find when you're breaking stuff and putting them back together. And if anybody learns AI, they can be so much powerful. You don't need to learn how to code, but if you know how to use something such as N8N or Lovable, you can easily use it to transform your business. And as it relates to the sign language landscape, I feel like, it's about keeping the user at the forefront. So it's about making this whole experience immersive and making sure that both parties benefit, those who don't know and those who know. And it's real, it's lifetime,